Hi, I'm Meredith McGrath, the registered dietitian at Redner's Markets, and I'm excited to partner with the Medical Society of Delaware to take you on a tour of our grocery aisles. Next up are two items that everyone loves and require extra time in the aisle. Everyone loves the cereal aisle and the bread aisle. And these items are primarily made up of carbohydrate, which gives our body lots of energy.
However, it is also important to look for other areas on the label. A good place to start is with the 3-3-3 rule. Total fat and sugar should be less than 3 grams, and fiber should be more than 3 grams. However, just like any rules, there are exceptions.
If your cereal or bread has nuts in it, you will see a higher amount of total fats, but this will mostly be heart-healthy fats. And if this is in line with your personal goals, this could still be an excellent choice. Another thing to remember when you're comparing products is to make sure serving sizes match.
There are some nutrition labels that have dual panels that show 2 different portion sizes. Personal choice and budget also come into play in these sections. When you have extra time to spend in the store, read as many labels as you can and come up with different options. Then, when they go on sale, select that item that week.
You may also want to consider oatmeal, which is high in fiber and considered good for your heart. You can eat it hot for breakfast or use it to make a muesli, which is a cold oatmeal with fruits and nuts added.
Boost nutrition with a tablespoon of chia seeds to add fiber, protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. In the bread aisle, if you are looking for lower carbohydrate options, you can try wraps, light bread, or English muffins.
Always look for ways to add fruits or vegetables. If you like peanut butter spread on an English muffin, don't stop there. Add slices of apples or pears and then top with crushed pistachios.
If you want to make a healthy turkey wrap for lunch, spread smashed avocado on there instead of mayo.
Before we wrap up, here's a quick checklist.
Serving size first. Total carbs and added sugars, keep them low. Sodium, aim under 2,300 milligrams daily. Fiber, 3 grams or more per serving. Saturated fat, less than 10% of daily calories.
Well, I hope you enjoyed our time together. And although we didn't go through all 50,000 items, I hope this tour helped. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be perfect. It's all about making small, sustainable changes. Every cart you fill is a chance to nourish yourself and your family.